Hi, hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics and Art. Today's topic is electric field intensity due to a uniformly positive charged ring. Welcome to my channel. See, step by step we will discuss. First, taking this is the ring of radius capital R. O is the center and there is a small element charge is dq. From element to point P, distance is horizontal distance is x. So diagonal square is equal side square plus side square. This is root over r square plus x square. And this is the electric field dA due to the element. And it is making an angle theta. So opposite angles are same. Then this element is resolved into two components, that is dA cos theta and this is dA sin theta. Sin theta value is get cancelled because of we are considering symmetrically opposite another element is dq. With respect to that, here again we will get dA sin theta. The dA sin theta, this dA sin theta, both are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, get cancelled. Then only one component we have along the x-axis, that is dA cos theta, along the axis of the ring. See, dA cos theta, so integral dA cos theta, which is equal to net electric field of the ring. And continuation, first I wanted to find the dE value, dE which is equal to k into dq divided by r square plus x square. Square root of get cancelled here. Okay, so what is the k value? It is the proportionality constant 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. E value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Here square root of cancel for this value. Okay, and we have to replace the dq value. Before going to that, okay, two methods I will explain to you step by step. This is the first method in which here dE value replacing in initial equation, net electric field. Okay, so E bar which is equal to integral, this value is k into dq divided by r square plus x square and cos theta which is equal to x divided by root over r square plus x square. So the value is replacing here x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. See, now E which is equal to constant values are common, only I am doing differentiation of charge only. Okay, integration of charge only. So k x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 and integral dq. So E which is equal to k x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 into q only. So we can write in two different ways. One is k value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, okay, and qx divided by this is r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. This is the electric field intensity. Just a second. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, this is E bar is equal to, see, and here we can write x is very much greater than to r. So this x distance is greater than to the r radius of the ring. Then the radius of the ring is neglected in the denominator. The resultant equation is E bar which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by x square. Think practically here. X cube is get cancel here, so denominator x square only. So this is the electric field intensity general formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square, but here on the axial line at a distance x from the center to the point P, that's why I taken x square instead of r. Okay, I will continue with second method. Yes, now continuation second method, in which try to understand here lambda which is equal to q divided by dl taken. Dl is the element length, so this is taken as total length of the ring is L and a small element is dl taking. Okay, the wire only bend in the form of circle, that's why dl taken, because of lambda is linear charge density, charge per unit length. So this is dq by dl. So dq value is what? dq is equal lambda into dl. This value is replacing in this equation. So now dE electric field intensity, so k into that is lambda into dl divided by r square plus x square. Okay, this value is replacing in this equation. So the resultant equation is E bar which is equal to integral, okay, dE value is this, that is k lambda dl divided by r square plus x square into cos theta value is x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Try to understand. The value is replacing here. Then the resultant equation E bar which is equal to, so dl only integration, so then remaining all are constant, that is k value, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda into x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, integral dl where to where 0 to 2 pi capital R. L length of the wire bend in the form of a circle of radius r. So circumference is equal to length of the wire only for the ring formation. So limits are taken from 0 to 2 pi r. Okay, so the resultant equation E bar which is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda into x divided by r square plus x square. So integral dl is L and upper limit minus lower limit, that the resultant equation is 2 pi r minus 0. Okay, integral dl is L, first upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 2 pi r and lower limit is 0. Okay, just a second. Yes, and continuation here, E bar which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, okay, x divided by, this is 3 by 2 is there, power, sorry for the mistake, 3 by 2 is there. So r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2, this is 2 pi r into q is there here, q, this is, sorry, lambda, that lambda. Okay, so basically, but lambda is equal, what is that, charge divided by 2 pi r. Yes, before I took lambda is equal dq by dl. For small element, this is completely from this equation q is equal, what is the value, lambda into 2 pi r. So this value is replacing in this equation. So final equation E bar, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so q into x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Already we did in the another method. This is the second method. Okay, so now we will get a resultant equation also. Now what is the resultant equation here? E bar, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. The condition here, x is very much greater than to r, so r is neglected in the denominator, so q divided by x square. Here x cube, but numerator x, here x cube is get cancelled. Then this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Electric field intensity of the uniformly positive charged ring. This is uniformly positive charged ring. Okay, thank you.